Hey guys, we're doing a video today on the Roomba from iRobot. This one happens to be the 650. What we're going to be doing is showing you how to clean it today. I've got a lot of questions about how to get the hair. The wife's got long hair, the kid's got long hair, you know how it goes. Even I do. It's probably 4 inches long, maybe 3. This will cover the 630, 650, 660, 670, 660, 680, and 790 for brushes. As for the rest of it, like the filter and the little spinny guy, looks like it's 620, 630, 650, and 600. So, with further ado, let's move along here.
I don't have that information in the move along here.
Yeah. Alright, I'm coming. I had to get a toothbrush and Siri's bugging out on me. So yeah, I'm in the comfort of my own home, so if I want to wear pajamas, these videos are done past 10 p.m. So this is quiet time when the kids and missus are sleeping. So what you want to start by doing is opening up your tray. Just push the button in. You want to open this gate and dump it in. Before you close the gate, you want to take this filter out. I need to see what you guys are seeing. Pretty nasty. So you want to take an old toothbrush right here and you just want to clean off just the outside. It's not paper, it's some sort of mesh, so you just want to clean it off like that. I don't recommend wetting it. There's just no need. And you got a motor assembly in here that's electronic. There's a little fan inside. Let me see if I can get that on camera. Yeah, you can see the little motor in there. So you got electronics in here. So you don't want to get this wet. And if you really want to go crazy, you can clean inside of here with the brush. And now it's really clean. So we've just got this a couple months ago. See, it's all clean. Now you want to just stick it back together. The yellow tabs go out. Just slide it down and press it in. Close the gate. Yeah, we got this a couple months ago and we've probably used it 10 or 15 times. So this assembly is all set. We're going to put this to the side. Now we're going to start with, you got to do that first. Because when you flip it over, you're going to see all the hair that's wrapped around the brush here. And if you got girls, like I have two, and my wife, you're gonna get this, and it's gonna stop cleaning. So let's do a close-up on the hair. I'm sure you can see that. And so you want to put your machine the same way as mine. These are the charging tabs, and this is the release button. Here's your spinner brush, here's your wheels, model number. So you just want to push these two tabs right here in. Okay, now it's open. Let's turn it sideways so you can see better. Okay, and we're gonna pull out, let's start with this guy. Now, these kind of go back in the same way. You got the square end that only goes on one side, and then the yellow stays in the other, so we'll just do one at a time to keep it easy. Now you want to pull this yellow cap off, and as you can see, there's a ton of hair caught in there. So what you need is your cleaning tool that came with your kit. If you don't have this, you're not going to be able to do this. You need to order one. Stop the video and go online and order one. Or you could stay watching and learn. See, this is, see, I gotta turn this. This has got a cleaning, the hair just gets stuck on these brushes, and the only way to get it is with the razor blade that's inside. Wow, that's really in there. Woo. Hair. Alright, now you got a section here you can go over, a section here. Just pull it down. I'm going to show a close-up again that this has got a razor blade inside. You see that shiny razor blade in there? That's what's cutting all this. So again, this is the 650. They should all generally be the same machine, and you're going to need this tool to clean it. You can get it from iRobot's store, virtually anywhere. You definitely want to use this tool. Without it, if you use like a razor blade or a kitchen knife or something, you're gonna potentially hurt yourself, and I don't recommend it. See how that just unwraps from there? It's just coming right off. You stick it back in again, and you pull. And you just pull this off. This is not even the most important one. I mean, you don't want the stuff in here, but alright, I've got it to the point where I'm satisfied with it. You put your cap back on, and you lay it back inside. Remember, the square drive goes on this side. Just twist it a little bit. And drop it down. Now we're going to pull out the brush. And we're going to pull this pile off. Remove the cap again. These are not replacement brushes. These are the OEM. So you can see how much hair is on here. I'm going to make this look like brand new in a few minutes. Just follow my method here. I'm going to stay away from this divider in the center. Just run it in between and pull up. This may be helpful for some folks that don't have the instruction manual, don't have the tool, maybe got the second hand. Look at all the stuff coming out of here. Look at that. It's just hair, guys. It's just hair. You just keep going around in a circle till you get, till it stops pulling. When it stops pulling, I'll show you what you do next. What I mean by pulling is resistance. When you stop getting resistance, you can start using this brush. That one really does a nice job. Each tool has its own use. I mean, part of the tool has its own use. Look at all that coming off. I'm also going to do a quick review on this machine while I'm on camera here. I'd say it's good for the hardwood floors that I'm sitting on, but for carpets, gets the stuff on the top, but it's not the best vacuum in the world. I recommend an upright. If you're using this primarily for your cleaning, I don't think it's satisfactory to me. Now this brush looks like this after a couple of uses. I only use this for our kitchen and dining room because the rest of the house is carpet. And this brush really gets loaded up if you use it all for carpet. Alright, she's ready back for service again. So now you have a brand new brush here. Don't forget to put your cap back on and stick it back in the hole. Square end goes on this side. Just spin it till it falls in place. And these two yellow tabs need to be laying flat. Simply click it down, flip it over, so we use the toothbrush today, and we use the robot cleaner, and it recommends on the back use every 3 uses. Alright, so just to show you that it still works. This has a feature that will not allow it to go off the edge of a surface, but I just want to show you that it's all set. We'll do a spot clean. See that? All set. Back in business. That's on spot. Sorry for how long the video was, guys. Hope that answers your questions. If you have any comments about this, about the batteries, I know a lot about these units being in the electronics line. Please leave your comments below and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching.